Hello students, welcome to video lecture of first year engineering mathematics. This is Dr. Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. In this session we are going to discuss an example of finding radius of curvature for the volume of Descartes. X cube plus y cube is equal to 3 times a into x into y. Here we can see the word Descartes. Descartes is nothing but a Cartesian. Descartes is nothing but the person who invented a Cartesian curve. So in present days we call t becomes silent, we call it as only Cartesian coordinates. So that is nothing but a cart. So Descartes curve, this is called as a Descartesian curve, and where the points are given 3a by 2, 3a by 2 means the value of x and y are given on this curve. So we need to calculate its radius of curvature. Okay, so let us see what to do now. Very first, let me consider the given curve, that is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3 times a into x into y. In a previous examples we observed, we had taken y is equal to something. Here if you want to take y is equal to something, it is possible, but getting differentiation y1 and y2 becomes very difficult there. Fine. Therefore, and already we know that what is the meaning of radius of curvature and what radius of curvature expects from us. Okay. So in radius of curvature we need to calculate y1 and y2. Therefore, differentiating this with respect to x, then what happens? Differentiation of x cube becomes 3x square plus differentiation of y cube becomes 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 3 into a common, then x common, differentiation of y will be dy by dx plus y common and differentiation of x will be 1 with respect to x. Therefore, in this case what we do, we will be taking dy by dx common. When we would like to take dy by dx common, then let us keep other terms in bracket. Here we can see it is a 3y square. I'll be taking here 3y square, y square. Then other part is 3ax dy by dx. When it comes to the other end, it becomes minus 3ax into dy by dx, which will be equal to remaining 3ay. So 3ay. Okay, then this 3x square goes to other end, then it becomes minus 3x square. Fine. Or else we can call it as if you take 3 common, then it becomes 3 into y square minus ax into y1. I'll call it as y1. dy by dx is nothing but y1. That is equal to, again if I take 3 common, then it becomes a into y minus x square. Here 3 get cancelled. Therefore, what is the value of y1 now? The value of y1 is ay minus x square divided by y square minus ax. Fine. So this is the value of y1. But we need y1 at the rate of given values. Okay, either you take everything, then you substitute, then you find out the result, or else you can take it directly, no problem. Fine. So this is y1. Then what will be y2? y2 will be differentiating this with respect to x once again. Then y1 becomes y2, that is equal to, we can see it is u by v form. So square of the denominator first, or the denominator. Fine. Then denominator into differentiation of the numerator with respect to y. Then a common, differentiation of y will be dy by dx, that is nothing but y1. Okay, minus 2x. Okay, minus ay minus x square, numerator common. Then differentiation of the denominator will be 2 times y into y1 minus a. Fine. This is all about y2. I'll not go for further simplification because we know that anyhow we are going to substitute the values. Okay. At the given point x and y is equal to 3a by 2, comma 3a by 2. 3a by 2, comma 3a by 2. Therefore, the value of y1 at the rate of 3a by 2, comma 3a by 2 is equal to, substitute these values here, then it becomes a into the value of y, that is 3a by 2, minus 3a by 2 the square divided by 3a by 2 the square minus a into 3a by 2. That is nothing but a into a square. So 3a square by 2 minus, this becomes 9a square by 4 divided by 9a square by 4 minus 3a square by 2. If you see the terms, if you see these terms, then we can see both the terms are same irrespective of its sign. When it will be taken common, then it becomes minus 1. So the value of y1 is minus 1 at the rate of given x and y. Similarly, we will be substituting the values in second term, that is y2. y2 will be at the rate of 3a by 2, comma 3a by 2 is equal to, we can substitute this value here. Then let us see what happens. Here, better I'll calculate in rough paper, then it will be substituted. We can see here y2 at the rate of 3a by 2, comma 3a by 2 is equal to y 3a by 2 the square minus a into 3a by 2 into bracket a into y1. But what is the value of y1 at the rate of given values x and y? Minus 1. So that is minus 1. Then minus 2 into 3a by 2 because x, minus a into 3a by 2 minus 3a by 2 the square into bracket 2 times 3a by 2 minus 1 minus a. This whole thing divided by 3a by 2 the square minus a into 3a by 2 the whole square. Fine. Calculating this, it becomes 9a square by 4 minus 3a square by 2 into, this is minus a and it is 2 to get cancelled, so minus 3a. Fine. Then here it is again 3a square by 2 minus 9a square by 2 into, again it is 2 to get cancelled, so it is minus 3a minus a divided by, it is 9a square by 2 minus 3a square by 2 the whole square. Fine. Which will be equal to 9a square by 4 minus 3a square by 4. Okay. If I take its LCM, then what it will be? This will be something like, you can see here, if I take the LCM, that is 4, then here it will be 9a square minus 2 into 3, 6a square, that is 3a square. Fine. 3a square into minus a minus 3a will be minus 4a. Minus, again here you can see the same term, if it is taken once again, sorry, it is 4. Yes, if it is taken, then this is minus 3a square by 4 into minus 4a divided by, here it is, this is again it is 4, so 9a square by 4 minus the same term, that is 3a square by 4 the whole square. Clear? So this part I'll take directly. This part will be taken directly. What is that? I'll take this result once. If it is substituted, then it becomes 9a square by 4 minus 3a square by 2 into minus a minus 3a. Okay, minus 3a square by 2 minus 9a square by 4 into minus 3a minus a. This whole thing divided by 9a square by 4 minus 3a square by 2 the whole square. That is equal to, that will be equal to, as per our calculation, 3a square by 4 into minus 4a minus of minus 3a square by 4 into minus 4a. This whole thing divided by 3a square by 4. Fine. Which will be equal to? Which will be equal to? Let us see what is this now. 4 get cancelled, 4 get cancelled. Then 3a square into a minus 3a cube. Fine. Similarly, minus of minus plus. Okay. Is it plus? No. Sorry. Minus of minus of minus. Minus 3a square divided by 9a raised to 4, because it is a square. 9a raised to 4 divided by 16. Fine. Which will be equal to minus 3a cube minus 3a cube. So it is minus 6a cube. Minus 6a cube. This 16 comes to the numerator. Then it is minus 6a cube divided by 9a raised to 4. So this get cancels with, and 1 2s are 3s are. Fine. So which is equal to, therefore this is equal to y2 is at the rate of x and y is equal to s. After calculation for this, it is nothing. I'll take it here. Y2 is equal to minus 32 divided by minus 32 divided by 3a. Fine. Therefore, let us take radius of curvature rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. So after substituting these values, this will be equal to, let us see what will be the value. Put it here. Then that is equal to, rho is equal to 1 plus y1. What is y1? Minus 1 the square that raised to 3 by 2 divided by y2. What is y2? Minus 32 divided by 3a. Therefore, this minus 1 becomes, minus 1 the square becomes plus 1. So it is 1 plus 1. So that is 2. 2 raised to 3 by 2 divided by minus 32. This 3a goes to the numerator. Then it is minus 32. Fine. Minus 32. Then how do you write this? 3a. This 2 raised to, this is nothing but 2 root 2. That is 2 root 2 divided by minus 32, which is equal to 1s 60s. Fine, this get cancelled. Then it becomes 3 minus 3 root 2 into a. Therefore, how do you write this? 16. 16 is nothing but 8 into 2. This is nothing but minus 3 root 2a divided by, this can be written as 8 into 2. 2 is nothing but root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 get cancelled. Therefore, which is equal to, rho is equal to minus 3a divided by 8 root 2. But since we know that it should be positive, so put it under rho. Then it becomes 3a